Hi there guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. On this video guys, this is only going to be an update on the previous video that I did. So as we can see right now, right, is that price basically starting to react according to what I did say previously, is that price is basically starting to lose momentum now to the downside, and we could see that price basically starting to close above our 644 reason. Right, that is a great confirmation now that we can come into this 668 area easily now guys. But this setup from this morning guys, right, I did took a sell position, right? I did took a sell position from this area, and once I saw price starting to reject this area, basically getting out of my position. Reason for that is, guys, right? I'm gonna teach you guys something now that I don't know you guys are familiar with. I'm using also the RSI. If you guys want to use the RSI, you guys can take this in consideration. Let me just show you guys the settings that I'm using on my RSI. Oh, where's that? You guys can see I'm using the 20 and I'm using the 8, and my period is 17. So this is custom settings. So if you guys just can add the settings, please do that. So what you guys could have seen on our RSI, right, is that price was creating lower lows and a new lower low. But on our RSI, we can see price basically starting to create a divergency. Here we have a higher low and we have a new higher low. Price basically showing us that. So I was keeping that in consideration as well. So now if you're just looking at price flow, is that price is basically creating a inverted head and shoulders. There we have a beautiful bullish variation, right? You guys could have taken your entry right there and keep your stop just under there, right? We have a beautiful bull run. So now what you guys could see, right? For those who didn't get that move, that's all also good, right? Because right, there's always going to be a second opportunity. What you guys could have done now, as you guys could have seen, we have momentum now to the upside. We have our retest of our previous area of resistance that is acting as an area of support right now here at 644. There we have a beautiful bullish variation. You could have taken your entry right there and place your stop just under this previous area of support at 6648, right? So the question is now, what reason will you target? Scale out. We know we have previous structure of resistance right here at 668. So this is going to be the area that I will target, guys. So I did basically call a signal in my VIP group right here. I did call this one, and I did also call a scaling in right here at this bullish variation. If price starting to reverse to come for a bit steeper retracement, that's okay, right? We're gonna take losses into the market, so you guys must keep that in consideration. But the reason for this video is just to give you guys an update on the video that I did this morning, to show you guys that okay, this is where I'm basically getting out of my position, right? Because I can see that now price is basically starting to create a bullish variation, and with this inverted head and shoulders, right? So guys, my second position is in here, and I did call this entry, and now we are entering in this entry. So we're using a dynamic risk strategy on this setups, right? Because right guys, I did say that we're gonna wait for price to form this and break out of this descending correction, as you guys could see right here. Price showing us that it wants to lose momentum, breakout, retest this previous reason, and there we continue to the upside. Now we can expect price to come into this 668 reason. Also, what we could have seen, this is a previous area of resistance. As you guys could see right now, price basically starting to reject this area. So what you guys can do, and what you guys can wait for those who just getting this video, is to wait for price to close above this region. Just fix this so you guys can see price reject this area. If the price to close above this region here at 651, close above, retest, Now you're basically going to take advantage of our counter trends on our 15-minute time frame. Stick with me, guys. Just bear with me. So once we start to create the extension leg right now to the upside, right, retrace back to this area, then you could have get in on this reason here again. So what we can also see is that we have a 3 leg extension, right? This is our first leg, our second leg, and now we're only waiting for our extension leg to the upside, right? You guys could have taken entries from this area, right? But the safest entry is going to be once price break this reason here at 651, breakout, retest, or also on this previous reason, and then continue this price flow to the upside. So guys, I hope you guys understand what I mean about this setup, because right, I have to do an update video for you guys so you guys can just get a clear picture. So if you guys want to see a strategy on the RSI and also the indicators that I'm using to trade, like my SMAs, you guys are more than welcome. Just please let me know in the comments down below and I will drop something for you guys. It's your boy FXGK Millionaire and I'm out.